In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the payday deals on Gap Philippines. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just beginning to explore the convenience of e-commerce, this guide is designed to make your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Gap Philippines website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice several categories to choose from. Our focus today is on the Payday Deals section, where you can discover fantastic discounts on a wide array of products. If you're looking for a place to save, this is definitely where you want to be. Simply click the link that says Payday Deals, which will take you directly to the collection of items available at a bargain. As you explore the Payday Deals, you'll see a range of products highlighted. Each listing provides you with essential details such as the available sizes, colors, and of course the discounted price. This is a great way to compare items and find exactly what you're looking for without having to leave the comfort of your home. Something to keep in mind is to check the stock availability. If something catches your eye, act quickly, as popular items tend to sell out fast. Now, as you continue shopping and find items you'd like to purchase, you'll want to add them to your cart. On most sites, adding an item to your cart is as simple as selecting your preferred options like size or color and clicking the Add to Cart button. Once you do that, you'll receive a confirmation that the item has been successfully added. Next, it's time to review your selections. To do this, click on the cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the website. This will take you to a page where you can view all the items you've chosen. Here, you'll have the chance to review your cart before proceeding to checkout. Make sure you have everything you want and that the selections are correct. If you need to make any changes, such as adjusting quantities or removing items, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections, proceed to checkout. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping information and payment details, as this is a sensitive step involving personal information. Ensure the website is secure. Double check everything before finalizing your purchase. Then click place order and you're all set. You should receive a confirmation email shortly detailing your purchase and providing you with a tracking number so you'll know exactly when to expect your package. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the payday deals on Gap Philippines, making savvy shopping decisions. I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy